everyone. My name is Mujtahid Subagio. I am originally from Indonesia, but now I live here in Bloomington, Indiana, with my family. My wife, Anissa, is pursuing her doctoral degree in Indiana University, Bloomington. And we have two daughters, Camila and Tanya, 8 and 6 years old. Back in my home country, I was a lecturer for about 10 years. Mostly I taught accounting courses in undergraduate level, and upon completion of my study here, I'm planning to go back to my home country to uh, teach again in my institution. Uh, Regarding my personal vision, I would like to give intellectual capability to my students so that they can examine or investigate any propositions, ideologies, or worldviews using a rigorous scientific method. The reason why I have this kind of personal vision is that we have this current problem in Indonesia, or current reality, uh, is that there is a widespread indoctrination from religious fundamentalist groups that to promote their harmful or destructive ideology. And sadly, my students have been the targets of this indoctrination. So basically, by having this vision, I would like to protect my students by teaching them uh, scientific values and principles so that they can apply to their everyday life and to protect themselves from being indoctrinated by these harmful ideologies. So I think that's all my introduction video. I'm looking forward uh, to your comments. Thank you so much.